How's it going, YouTube? So I picked up this new old stock Stanley indexing ratchet from eBay. It's still in the box. I didn't throw away the advertising on the front, but I'm not really a big fan of Stanley tools, but I wanted to index and ratchet and didn't want to pay $100 something for a blue point or snap-on. So let's check this out. I'm sure you've already seen them. The box had 2,000 on it. Come with standard sockets from 3/8 to 15/16, an SE, and a locking extension, which you twist it locks. Yeah. Don't know how much that'll get used, but didn't really want the sockets or the extension, but found another one on eBay that costed more, and it was just a ratchet. So I think I paid $27 for this. Show you how it works. Push it down. Lock it. It won't lock anywhere. I think there's 1, 2, 3, like 5 or 6 positions. Let's see. Sorry. It's nothing too great, but maybe kind of gimmicky. But if I use it once, it'll have its purpose, I guess. It's got a decent handle. The Stanley usually rubs off pretty fast, as I've seen all the ones on eBay. It's probably a 60-tooth ratchet. Fairly decent length. Not sure. Let's see how long it is. It's about 10.5 inches. So not a bad length. May never use it, but if I do, I'll have it. Alright. There's the part number if you want to look for it on eBay. Harbor Freight has one too, so if you don't want to spend the big bucks on the snap-on, blue point, I think Mac, Proto has one. Then check it out. Subscribe. Thanks.